Hello everyone! Today we are going to explore the AI Safety Copilot feature on the AI Vision platform. We have developed this system to revolutionize how fleets are managed. As you can see, by using artificial intelligence agents, our goal is to prevent accidents and significantly reduce operational risks. The AI Safety Copilot goes beyond simple vehicle tracking. It analyzes driver behavior, risk factors, and overall safety in real time. Let's dive into the dashboard.
The AI Safety Copilot has many types of features, so it performs real-time risk analysis. Additionally, if you consider group partiality, it also analyzes various risks. So if we look at some reports from the last week and how the AI Safety Copilot helps us provide safety to the total fleet and drivers and how it reduces accidents and transport costs, we will discuss that directly now. You can see the driver risk ranking of the AI Safety Copilot here on the Bongo IoT AI Vision platform. And here, if we want to easily understand the driver risk ranking, and if we understand it easily and try to understand it, then our system works in such a way that the higher the score in our system, the higher the risk. That means the driver whose score is higher, the risk is higher, and the driver's behavior, the driver's pattern is more risky. Therefore, if we want to understand how the driver risk score works, then if we consider 90 to 100, this is considered a dangerous driver and the AI Copilot considers it as such. 80 to 90 is considered a risky driver, and 60 to 80 we can call that a good driver, but below 60 we can call that driver excellent. So we can understand that the AI Safety Copilot, which not only tracks the car but also analyzes the driver's behavior, the car's risks, safety, it analyzes everything in real time. Now let's come to the organizational driving. If we talk a little easily about the organizational safe driving ability, here you can see the organizational safety driving ability score is 84.5. The score displayed here is the overall safety risk index of the entire organization. So we can easily understand how much overall risk a company's fleet has and where there are opportunities for improvement. This score tells us that we can know not only about the individual driver, but also how safe the entire fleet is. Also, through the distribution of scores or through the ability scores for various dimensions of the organization, we can know how many drivers are risky, how many drivers are excellent, who needs to be provided training, who needs to be warned, and where safety focus needs to be increased. If we look at this screen, then we can see the trend of ability scores in various dimensions of the organization. Here we can see 5 dimensions, and all these 5 dimensions are very important. And if we talk directly about these 5 dimensions, then we can talk about these dimensions very easily. And ranking of drivers' abilities in various dimensions. What does this imply? If we try to understand it easily, then it should be remembered that even if the ability score is good, the overall risk may be high if other risk events are high. I repeat, in the AI Safety Copilot's ranking of drivers' abilities in various dimensions, it means that here drivers are ranked according to a specific skill. And here it should be remembered that even if the ability score is good, the overall risk may be high if the risk events are high. So we can easily give an example. For instance, a driver has very good attention. Attention is given here. A driver's attention is very good. But will he be recognized as a good driver? No. Even if a driver's attention is good, but overspeeding is high. If overspeeding is high, then he can be risky or dangerous here. Therefore, these driver ability in various dimensions, so these ability scores, if one score is good, it doesn't mean that we will consider the driver as a good driver. But if the other dimensions are bad, then he will not be considered a good driver. Every driver has to perform well in these dimensions that our platform has. So let's directly go to the dimensions and talk a little bit about the ranking of drivers' abilities in various dimensions, what these dimensions are and what they do. Safe driving ability. Safe driving ability is how smoothly the driver is driving or if they are suddenly braking or doing harsh braking. That is safe driving ability. Another one is robustness. The robustness feature that the AI Safety Copilot has, how stable a driver can remain under pressure, in traffic or during long driving, how much he can keep himself stress-free. That is basically robustness. Let's move to compliance. Compliance is a very important dimension. In many countries, compliance is mandatory. Compliance means adhering to traffic laws, wearing seat belts, lane discipline, etc. Does the driver follow these? If he follows, then the score is good here. And we can also say and see his desired points based on mileage. And another one is consciousness. The consciousness of these drivers, how conscious the driver is. We can also see that through the score here. Is the driver using mobile phone while driving? Is the driver distracted? We can see those. In addition, attention. Attention is a very important matter. How does attention work in AI Safety Copilot? Attention analyzes the driver's eyes and mind and whether their eyes and mind are on the road. And is the driver drowsy? Is he tired? Has he been driving continuously for a long time? In this situation, artificial intelligence sends live alerts so that an accident can be prevented beforehand and accidents do not occur. This is truly real AI road safety. So we request everyone that when you use any video telematics solution and if someone offers you the AI Safety Copilot, please check if these functions of the AI Safety Copilot work correctly and if it automatically generates decisions for you. On another day, we will discuss other features of the AI Safety Copilot and we will also discuss possible accident. We will discuss real-time risks and how possible accident evidence works and how we can view those possible accidents. Until then, stay healthy, stay well. Thank you everyone.
Bongo IoT Intelligent Telematics